an owl woman and she lived in the wood. Wheel ya, wall ya. There was an owl woman and she lived in the wood, down by the river Salya. She had a baby 3 months old. Wheel ya, wall ya. She had a baby 3 months old, down by the river Salya. She had a penknife long and sharp. Wheel ya, wall ya. She had a penknife long and sharp, down by the river Salya. She stuck the penknife in the baby's heart. Wheel ya, wall ya. Stuck the penknife in the baby's heart, down by the river Salya. There were 3 low knocks coming knocking on the door. Wheel ya, wall ya. 3 low knocks coming knocking on the door, down by the river Salya. There were 2 policemen and a man. Wheel ya, wall ya. 2 policemen and a man, down by the river Salya. They took her away and they put her into jail. Wheel ya, wall ya. They took her away and they put her into jail, down by the river Salya. They put the rope around her neck. Wheel ya, wall ya. They put the rope around her neck, down by the river Salya. They pulled the rope and she got hung. Wheel ya, wall ya. Pulled the rope and she got hung, down by the river Salya. Well, that was the end of the woman in the wood. Wheel ya, wall ya. And that was the end of the baby too, down by the